guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video, this is finally part 12 of Brawl Stars tutorial in Scratch. So here I share the Brawl Stars 1, 2, 3 to the final starter project. So this is the first one. So then you're going to go to the description and there is the link of the starter project. So if you go inside the project, now you don't have to remix it. The only thing you got to do is to backpack all these sprites. So you can backpack this, characters, line of sight, and text too. So these are the three sprites of this starter project. So let's get started. And guys, look at this. We have 1,553 bucks. That's a lot. That's actually a lot. So now, if you backpack all, you will leave it in your project. So first the character sprite, the line of sight sprite, and the text 2 sprite. We made in their tutorials the text and text 3. So now we're going to code the characters, left side, and the text 2. So, but I don't think that in this tutorial we'll make calls, so in this one we'll code the characters and the line of sight. So let's get started. So save your project. And let's go the characters sprite. So when we clicked, hide. Wait, delete this. File, save as a copy. So this is the episode 12. So Brawl Stars episode 12. Let's do that very quickly. Okay. It's loading, my boy. It's loading. Everything's here. Yes. So now Brawl Stars episode 12. Let's go to characters. So when Grandpa clicked, and also here we have some sounds. This is Shelly.
Let's go!
Okay. This is the cold sound.
Time for trouble!
My favorite. This is the one for Nita. Brock.
Woo! Let's go!
Poco.
Feel the power of music!
And this here. Okay. So my favorite is the cold one.
Time for trouble!
Okay. So now let's code. So when Grandpa click hide, and then when I start as a clone, show forever equals, put an equal, put the variable character 1 is equal to custom number, then set brightness effect to -20, duplicate, and then set brightness effect to 0 in the else. Now here put an equals, put a lesser than, if custom number is lesser than 6. And guys, also, thank you very much for, well, the 90 subscribers. We're so close to 100 subs. So subscribe please. And here in the F, but another, wait, yes, another refills. If touching mouse pointer, okay, change size by, put a divide, then in the left side put a minus. So 48 minus size divided by 5. Okay, we're making great progress. If, now put an equal, now put the mouse variable. If mouse is equal to 1, sorry, and then I think we got to put the music, guys, because we haven't put the music in the game, I think. So maybe in the next tutorial we're going to do that. And I will delete this single player variable because I have it, I don't know why, but I already have that. So let's delete it. So set character 1 to custom number. And also guys, subscribe to my Scratch profile, that it's also in the description. And here put a start sound. I will put character 1 in the start sound. And broadcast main menu. Here. Okay. And in the else, change size by, now put a divide, in the left side put a minus, 45, well, delete all of this and duplicate this. So there is better, so 45 minus size divided by 5. And in the else, put another equals, okay, and then put an and, in the left side of the and, put a greater than. So coins is greater than. So I know we have this list. Let's see. No, we haven't. So we'll make this new list called require coins for this sprite only. Yes, it's the only list in the entire tutorial for this sprite only. So if it's greater than minus, okay, so item here in list, item here of require coins, and in the item put a minus, so custom number -5. Okay, and of this -1, and put in the right side another greater than. In the right side put a minus. So unlocked characters, here the last variable, if it's greater than custom number -7. Okay, set ghost effect to 0. I think we already have like $50 in this sprite. 45. Well, it's close. We're almost at $1,600. We're almost finishing the Brawl Stars tutorial. And then we're going to duplicate this if touching my pointer. And we're going to leave it over here. But if mouse is equal to 1, we're going to delete this as character. So a start sound, and the sound is going to be 0. Then delete the broadcast main menu and put a change. So here put coins. Duplicate this, but we're going to change this to a times. So times -1. Okay. And now I switch custom to and put a minus. Custom number -3. Okay. And change unlock characters by -1. And now in this cells we're going to put a set ghost effect by 50. So now we got a total of $69. We're close to finishing this sprite. Now, when I receive character screen, that's the first message that appears to me. Change mouse by 3. Go to X -140 and the Y to -25. And guys, I'm hoping if I can reach 1,000 subscribers at the end of this year. But it's only possible if you subscribe and like this video so I can make more fun videos. Well, fun that helps you with the scratch games. Switch custom to 1. That's the Shelly. This is the Poco one. This is the Brock, Nita, Poco again, Brock again, Nita again, Colt again, and Shelly again. So okay, and why Shelly it's not 2 times? Because it's free. It's the first screen that you have. So, well, let's continue. So, create clone myself, duplicate this, and now go to 0, 125, switch custom to 2, duplicate this again, go to X 140, and Y 25, switch custom to 3, duplicate again, okay, sorry, don't duplicate this again, delete it. So now put an if, but lesser than, if unlock characters is lesser than 1, switch custom to 6, create clone wait, duplicate this, so create clone myself, and before this, duplicate this again, but delete the create clone myself and the other things, put it over here, so go to X negative 140 and Y negative 110, switch custom to 4, here to 7, but if unlock characters is lesser than 2, okay. And now duplicate all of this, but here go to X0 and Y now to 110, switch custom to 5, here to 8, and if unlock characters is lesser than 3. Okay. When I receive main menu, hide, and delete this clone. So guys, we finished. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So bye bye.